So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today you can see we are at Kangthilangso waterfall, guys. Doing chilling, coming to chill here. So you can see backside. It's cool, guys. Do visit here and keep supporting, guys. Like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, guys. And let's start the video. finally here we can see Kangthilangso waterfall. Very beautiful, guys. With my Rupom bro, the two of us them come here and just to chill. So guys, see you there. We are going to roasted pork today. So guys, see you. Guys, now we are cutting. We'll do pork roasted, guys, today. After a long time. It's too clear water, you can see, guys. It's clear water. Pura safa. So guys, you can see a fish. Guys, let's wash a fish. Wow. Feeling very fresh, guys. Lot of panda. Liver. Very tasty happen na after eating. Very Costco, you can see. So that's why do like, share, and do not forget to subscribe. Aja ba? Roasting started, guys. We have started roasting, guys.
Here, guys, liver.
What have, what not have. There is pork roasted, guys. Master Chef, guys. Oh, wearing Kabir Singh chasma and very hero pen.
Level happen, guys. Level happen.
Very level. Body also happen. Oh, sexy pack, guys. So guys, again we have to wait 30 minutes and see you before eating.
346 minutes later.
Guys, finally ready to eat, guys.
2 hours later.
And so guys, thank you for watching the video. Hope all of you like the video. If you like, please like, comment, share, and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, thank you for watching the video. And Rupom bro, say bye.
Bye.
See you in the next vlog, guys. So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And here you can see the side.